The latest lineup of rifles for SHOT Show 2025 has arrived, packed with fresh designs and cutting-edge features that are sure to turn heads. Whether it's lightweight hunting rifles or tactical models built for serious performance, these new releases are all about pushing limits and meeting the demands of modern shooters. With improved handling, upgraded materials, and enhanced firepower, there's something here for everyone. From game-changing innovations to refined classics, each rifle brings something unique to the table. Whether you're a longtime enthusiast or just love to stay on top of the latest gear, you won't want to miss what's in store. Some of these rifles are built for accuracy, while others focus on rugged dependability in the toughest conditions. Get ready to explore the most exciting new rifles revealed at SHOT Show, and if you want to stay in the loop with everything firearms, hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. Number 10, Patriot Ordnance Factory LMR Base. Lightweight, powerful, and built to perform, this rifle is turning heads at SHOT Show 2025. Chambered in .308 Winchester, it packs serious firepower while staying remarkably agile at just 6 pounds. Measuring 34 inches when collapsed, it's easy to carry and quick to deploy, making it a solid pick for those who need reliability on the move. The 16.5-inch 416R stainless steel barrel with a 1/8 twist delivers tight gripping shot after shot. The 15-inch MLOK handguard offers plenty of room for attachments, ensuring customization is simple and effective. Built with POF USA's patented E2 extraction system, cycling is smooth and dependable, reducing the risk of jams. A mil-spec trigger at A2 pistol grip, providing familiar feel right out of the box, while the anti-tilt buffer tube keeps everything aligned for consistent operation. Priced at $1,359, it offers solid value with performance that speaks for itself. Whether on the range or in the field, this one won't disappoint. Number 9, Browning X Bolt 2 All-Purpose. Built for those who demand reliability and adaptability, this bolt-action rifle stands out with its well-thought-out design and impressive performance, weighing around 6.69 pounds and stretching 43.75 inches in total length. It strikes a perfect balance between portability and stability. Whether in the field or at the range, handling feels smooth and natural. The 22-inch fluted sporter weight barrel comes threaded at M13 by 75, making it easy to equip a muzzle brake or suppressor for better control. Chambered in versatile calibers like .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, and .30-06 Springfield, it caters to a wide range of shooting needs. The detachable rotary magazine with a 4-round capacity ensures smooth feeding, while the DLX trigger offers an adjustable pull weight between 1.7 to 3 pounds, allowing for a crisp and responsive shot. With the Veritech composite stock offering adjustable features, a top tank safety for added security, and reliable performance across conditions, this rifle delivers solid value for serious shooters. Number 8, the Ruger Ultra Lightweight 1012 Carbon Fiber. Lightweight, rugged, and built to perform, this rifle takes a familiar favorite to the next level. Weighing just 3.5 pounds and measuring 34.1 inches in length, it's designed for effortless carry and smooth handling in any environment. Whether you're trekking through the backcountry or spending the day at the range, it won't weigh you down. The 16.1-inch cold hammer forged barrel wrapped in a carbon fiber sleeve offers durability without unnecessary bulk. Threaded at 1/2 inch by 28, it's ready for muzzle devices or suppressors straight from the factory. Chambered at .22 LR, it feeds reliable from a 10-round rotary magazine, keeping shots consistent and smooth. A Magpul MOE X22 stock enhances comfort and control. Offering a firm grip and better ergonomics for all-day use, the trigger provides a clean break, making every shot count. Whether for plinking, small game hunting, or target practice, this rifle delivers dependable performance in a lightweight package. Number 7, Bergara BMR-X rifle. When accuracy and dependability matter, this rifle delivers without adding unnecessary weight. At just 5.7 pounds, it's built for shooters who demand easy handling without sacrificing capability. The 18-inch carbon fiber barrel ensures consistent performance while keeping things lightweight, making it a solid choice for both hunting and target shooting. Chambered at .22 LR, it offers the perfect blend of power and affordability for long practice sessions. or small game pursuits. The rifle features an adjustable length of pull stock, allowing shooters to customize the fit for better control and comfort. A vertical grip and flat forend provide a stable platform, enhancing confidence with every shot. It comes with both 5-round and 10-round magazines, offering flexibility depending on your shooting needs. The smooth bolt action cycles effortlessly, contributing to a reliable shooting experience. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just getting started, this rifle offers a combination of accuracy, comfort, and ease of use that stands out. Number 6. Seekins Precision Havak PH3. Built for serious shooters who demand reliability and accuracy, this rifle brings a combination of strength and precision engineering. Weighing around 7.5 pounds, it offers a solid yet manageable feel for both field and range use. This 24-inch 4/16-hour stainless steel barrel, available in calibers such as 6.5mm Creedmoor and 6.5 PRC, delivers consistent shot placement even in challenging conditions. A smooth 3-lug bolt with a 60-degree throw ensures fast cycling, keeping follow-up shots quick and effortless. The integrated 20 MOA Picatinny rail and full-length MLOK rail system provide plenty of room for optics and accessories. The adjustable cheek riser adds to the comfort, helping shooters maintain proper alignment for every shot. Featuring a quick change barrel system, it allows for easy caliber swaps and maintenance. The Trigger Tech trigger, adjustable from 2.5 to 5 pounds, offers a crisp pull. While it's priced higher, the craftsmanship and performance make it a worthy investment for serious use. Number 5. Cimarron Firearms 1873 John Russell and the Nueces 73. Step back in the Old West with this authentic reproduction of a classic lever-action rifle. Inspired by the iconic firearm wielded by Paul Newman's character in the film Hombre, this rifle features a 20-inch heavy round barrel crafted from forged steel, providing durability and a balanced heft for steady aiming. Chambered in .45 long Colt, it offers a harmonious blend of historical authenticity and modern shooting performance. The hand-rubbed oil walnut stock and forend not only enhances its visual appeal, but also offers a comfortable grip for the shooter. While a shortened magazine tube contributes to the distinctive profile, it does limit the ammunition capacity compared to standard models. Priced at $1,781, this rifle is a collector's piece that also serves as a functional firearm for enthusiasts of classic Western weaponry. Now, number 4, Bushmaster V-Radicator AR-15 rifle. When performance and dependability matter, this rifle is ready to deliver. Chambered at .223 Wild, it offers the advantage of firing both .223 Remington and 5.56 NATO rounds, making it a great option for a wide range of shooting needs. With barrel options of 18, 20, or 24 inches, each crafted from fluted 4/16-hour stainless steel, it provides consistent accuracy with twist rates of 1 to 8 and 1 to 9 for optimal bullet stabilization. Weighing between 7.8 to 8.3 pounds, it maintains a solid yet balanced feel, making it easy to handle in various conditions. The 17-inch BFI MLOK handguard offers plenty of space for attachments, while the A4 flat-top upper receiver ensures a reliable platform for optics. Equipped with a Magpul MOE K2 XL grip and PR carbine stock, comfort and control come standard. The DM2S 2-stage trigger provides a smooth pull for better shot placement. With its thoughtful design and solid build, this rifle stands out as a dependable companion for any shooter. Number 3, the CZ Bren 3. Built for demanding conditions and high-performance shooting, this rifle delivers solid firepower with a modern touch. Chambered at 5.56 by 45 NATO and 300 AAC blackout, it's ready to handle different shooting scenarios with ease. With barrel length options ranging from 7 to 16.5 inches, it offers flexibility for tactical applications or range days. Weighing around 6.8 pounds without a magazine, it remains lightweight and easy to handle during extended use. Fully ambidextrous controls, including a 45-degree safety lever, magazine release, and bolt catch, provide a smooth experience for both left and right-handed users. The non-reciprocating charging handle, which can be set on either side, adds to the user-friendly design. A folding 4-position telescopic stock ensures comfortable adjustments, making it easy to adapt to various shooting positions. The modular MLOK forend allows attachment of accessories without adding extra bulk. With its rugged construction and practical features, this rifle is built to perform in any situation. Number 2, Patriot Ordnance Factory P15 Base Rifle. Introducing a reliable and feature-rich addition to the AR-15 platform, this rifle is designed for shooters seeking quality without breaking the bank. Weighing in at 6 pounds and measuring 34 inches when collapsed, it offers a balanced and maneuverable experience for various shooting applications. Chambered in 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO, the rifle features a 16.5-inch match-grade barrel with a 1/8 twist rate, ensuring consistent accuracy across a range of bullet weights. The mid-length gas system contributes to smooth cycling and reduced recoil, enhancing shooter comfort during extended sessions. The 15-inch MLOK handguard provides ample space for mounting accessories, allowing customization to fit individual preferences. Equipped with a mission-first tactical minimalist retractable stock, the rifle offers quick length of pull adjustments to accommodate different shooting positions. A notable feature is the patented roller cam pin in the bolt carrier group, designed to reduce friction and wear, thereby extending the firearm's service life. The anti-tilt 6-position buffer tube ensures reliable cycling and prevents carrier tilt, contributing to the rifle's overall durability. While the rifle comes with a standard A2 style grip, some users may prefer to upgrade to a more ergonomic option for enhanced comfort. Overall, this rifle delivers dependable performance and adaptability, making it a solid choice for both novice and experienced shooters. Now, coming in at number 1, Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Guide 2.0 Rifle. Designed for hunters who demand a lightweight yet robust firearm, this rifle stands out with its advanced features. Weighing approximately 5.1 pounds, it ensures ease of carry during extended backcountry expeditions. The rifle is available in multiple calibers, including .240 Weatherby mag, .243 Win, and .257 Weatherby mag, and 6.5 Creedmoor, catering to various hunting preferences. The BSF carbon fiber barrel not only reduces weight but also enhances heat dissipation, contributing to consistent accuracy. Equipped with Peak 44's Blacktooth carbon fiber stock, the rifle offers durability without added heft. The stock integrates Spartan Precision's gunsmithing adapters, allowing for the seamless attachment of ultra-lightweight accessories. The 3D Hex recoil pad effectively mitigates felt recoil, providing a more comfortable shooting experience. The inclusion of an AccuBrake ST further reduces recoil, making it manageable ever with the Magnum cartridges. The TriggerTech trigger ensures a crisp and adjustable pull, enhancing shot consistency, while the rifle's premium materials and features contribute to a higher price point. The investment is justified for those seeking a reliable and lightweight hunting companion. In summary, this rifle combines cutting-edge technology with practical design, making it a top choice for serious backcountry hunters. That's a wrap on the top 10 new rifles from SHOT Show 2025. Each one brings something fresh to the table, and we'd love to hear which caught your eye. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to All About Firearms for more updates and reviews. I'm narrator Brian Crow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.